Okay, so now we're going to be talking about graphs approaching a certain value. So rather it just going straight up and straight down, it might be approaching a number. So for this right here, as x moves towards positive infinity, remember positive infinity means that it's going right. As x goes right, it is possible for f of x to be approaching a certain value. Describe the end behavior of the graph to the right. Okay, so I'm going to start here, and I'm going to trace when x goes right. So when x goes right, it approaches right here. That is at -1. All right, when x goes left, so as x goes here, so I'm going to trace the left-hand side. As x goes left, it's not going up or down, it's going to a number this time. Now it's going to right here at -1. Let's look at some examples. The first thing I need you to do, please, write this down for 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, and 15. So you should have written this right here, the template down for all 6. If you have it, you need to pause it and do it again. Excuse me. Okay, so number 10. As x goes right, where does it go? So as x goes right, I'm going to trace it on the right-hand side. So as x goes right, it's not going up or down, as you notice. So it can't be positive infinity, and it can't be negative infinity. So that means it's approaching a number. It's approaching the x-axis. That is approaching 0. Okay? Let's look at this one now. As we go left. So as we go left, it's not going up or down. It's approaching another number. That number, again, is 0. Okay, number 11. As x approaches infinity. So as x goes right. So as we go to the right, what does it approach? So as we go to the right, so go to the right, right here. It's not going up or down. What is it getting really, really close to? This number right here, -1, -2, -3. All right? As x goes left, so right here, as x goes left, it's not going up or down. It's getting really, really close to. It's going to be that same exact number. It's going to keep going like this. So that is also -3. I know it looks like -4, but you can already see it past -4. So it's not approaching -4. It already passed -4, which means it's going to be approaching the next one at -3. Go ahead and try to do number 12 on your own. Pause your video. All right, you should have gotten as x goes to the right, it gets really, really close to 2. It's not going up or down. It's leveling out at 2. So as x goes to negative infinity, same thing. It's going to go to 2. It's going to level out right here. Okay, number 13. So as x goes right, f of x goes to, this one looks a little different, okay? So as x goes right, it is going up, but it's also going to right here. So as x goes right, it's getting really, really close to, let's see, right here. I should have been using red. There we go, right here. That is at -2. So as x goes left, go ahead and look at the left-hand side, same exact thing. It's getting really, really close to -2. Okay, go ahead and do number 14 and 15 on your own and see if you can get the answers right. Make sure you write pencil so that you can erase if you make any mistakes. Okay, so for number 14, you should have had as x goes right, it doesn't go up or down, it approaches a number. It's approaching the x-axis, which is at 0. These are all wide numbers. So right here, as we go left, x approaches, again, 0. Number 15 is the first time you've seen this. So first, as we go to the right, so as we go right, it doesn't go up or down, it levels out. It levels out right here at -5. Now here, as we go left, it does go up. So this time it goes up as we go left, so this is positive infinity. Okay, so the next thing you need to do is get out your homework assignment. Homework number 3, it should be the next one in your binder. I'm going to pause the video. Okay, so number 1 through 9. On this side of the page, you're going to determine if the function is shown as continuous. If not, identify the type and location of discontinuity. So just like the front of your notes. Okay? So let's do number 1 together. So number 1, it is discontinuous. It is a hole, and you're going to tell me at what point. So it is a hole at x value. Remember, it's the x value at -2. So that's what you're going to do for numbers 1 through 9. Now for numbers 10 all the way through 18, we are first going to set yourself up like this on every single question. And it is asking you to describe the end behavior of every single one. So starting as x goes to the right. Remember, this is right. So as we go right, the graph goes down. So that's -infinity. And as x goes left, the graph goes down. So this is -infinity. So you have these type of questions. You also have these type of questions. So once again, set yourself up. Okay, so as x goes right, so as the graph goes right, what happens? Well, it's not going up or down. It's getting really, really close to a number. It's leveling out at 3. And then as x goes left, so as we go left, once again, it's not going up or down. It's leveling out right here at 3. This homework will be due tomorrow.